Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to save a document as a PDF in MS Word. So to save a document as a PDF file, first you have to go in File tab, click on this and then go in Save As. Then hit Save As. Here you will select file destination where you want to save it. I am saving it on desktop. Here you can change the name as I already have saved it as how to text, so I am not changing it. Then go in Save As Type and from drop down list you can see here PDF. Select it and click on Save button. Now you can see the file is saved as PDF file. Now we will go to desktop to see the same, and here you can see the file is saved as PDF file. How to tell. So this is how you can save document as PDF file. In the end, like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.